Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix ghost touch problem on VIVO V60E. Let's begin! And in order to fix any kind of ghost touch problems, which is just the way of telling that sometimes you feel like you've made two touches even that you've clicked once or something like that, there is a nice little setting that it can be pretty hidden. So let's go into the settings. Now let's scroll almost all the way down and enter shortcuts and accessibility. In here you can start scrolling down until we'll see Mistouch Prevention, which is almost at the bottom of the list. We can click that, and as you can see we have the Mistouch Prevention, which will prevent accidental touches in the pocket, especially when you're turning the screen on and when your phone is in your pocket or bag. And hopefully this should help you with any kinds of ghost touch problems that you might have. Also, alternatively, the poor quality of screen protector could be also causing that issue, so make sure you're using some sort of official one and not poor. Like, I know this sounds kind of bad, but trust me, if you're going to cut corners on buying screen protectors, they will just end up with very, very bad quality and your touches will become very random, so you want to make sure you're using some legit, well-made screen protector. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!